Welcome to this video about getting started with linked input tables in Sigma. Linked input tables let you combine the power of live data with the flexibility of manual inputs. Instead of starting with a blank table, you link directly to an existing data source from your cloud warehouse or other Sigma elements. This means that as new data is added to the source, your linked input table automatically updates, no manual refresh required. To create a linked input table, first add the data table element that will be the parent or source element of your input table. Next, create any groupings and aggregations you'd like in your linked input table. For example, if you'd like to have the manager approve or deny the cost of an entire order, not just the individual line items, make sure to group by your order number and sum the cost. Now, create a child element that is a linked input table. Use the pop-up modal to identify the fields that define the lowest level of granularity you'd like your users to have access to. For example, a product line is a lower level of granularity than an order number because an order can contain multiple products across many product lines. Next, choose any additional columns that will be helpful to your end users. For example, the aggregated order cost or the customer name. We can add customer name because although a customer can place multiple orders, an order can only have a single customer name attached. Because you cannot change the granularity or add new source columns after the table is created, it's crucial to ensure you have all the required fields from the start. Once the linked input table is created, you can add new columns like an empty input table. Linked input tables offer a powerful way to integrate live data with manual entries, making them perfect for applications such as approvals, tracking, and adding additional business context. Their automatic syncing capabilities mean you never have to worry about missing new records again.